Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dissect the latest and greatest products to hit the market.
Today, we have something every kitchen needs, the best microwave splatter cover available, the Tusjiain microwave splatter cover. Now, if you're tired of cleaning up those pesky microwave messes or dealing with food splatters everywhere, this product is a game changer.
Let me tell you why.
First off, this splatter cover is designed with convenience and efficiency in mind.
Its large size of 11.5 inches ensures it fits most plates and bowls, meaning you can say goodbye to those annoying splatters once and for all. But what sets this splatter cover apart is its innovative design. It features enlarged perforated steam vents that not only allow moisture to escape but also encourage airflow to prevent condensation buildup. This means your food heats up evenly and without any mess.
And let's talk about durability.
Made from food-grade, BPA-free polypropylene, this cover is built to last. It won't melt in the microwave or dishwasher, ensuring you can use it time and time again without worry. Now, let's see it in action. Simply place the cover over your plate or bowl, pop it in the microwave, and watch as it works its magic. Not only does it keep your microwave clean, but it also speeds up the cooking process by focusing the heat.
But wait, there's more.
This cover comes with an easy grip handle, making it a breeze to lift on and off your food.
Plus, it's dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, no scrubbing required. So there you have it, folks. The Tusjiain microwave splatter cover, the ultimate solution to messy microwaves. Say goodbye to splatters and hello to hassle-free cooking.
Get yours today and thank me later.
Thanks for watching Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews.
Until next time, happy cooking!